Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my monthly essential oil recipe box. This is a company called Simply Earth. They put together a monthly kit. I had the big kit last month, which was the Get 'em Started kit that was phenomenal. And this one I have only taken the sticker off just now, right before I turned on the camera. So let's take a look. All right, now let's see. This is, hey Earthy, we're thrilled you're here. Welcome. You've gone through a lot of frustrations with essential oils. Let us put a stop to that overwhelming feeling. We're proud of you. We're proud you didn't lose hope in finding answers to your questions. The search is over. Now that you've found the recipe box, we'll make sure to help you learn more every step of the way. Remember, you're also making a difference with every purchase. 13% goes to end human trafficking. Continue to make the world a better place by creating one fun and awesome natural product at a time. Until next time, Katie and Lee, P.S. Let you guys know. So there you go. I can share with you guys. So I am really, so how our recipe works. So they give you the recipes and then just other bits and pieces of information. Okay. Rewards, I don't know anything, but anyways. Okay, so, pardon me. I have been taking care of a lot of things today, so you'll have to forgive me. My throat is really sounding terrible. Okay, so I think I want to start here, but I'm going to start here. Okay, Bath and Spa, 0 to Hero. Let's see here. Make these Bath and Spa products. Neat. Okay. So I'm wondering, I guess we're doing that with this kit. That will be wonderful. So we're going to learn to make a summer morning roll-on. So a deodorant, which would be fantastic. I think it's deodorant, right? Oh, no. To use, apply to pulse points and breathe in deeply for a calm feeling like a summer morning. So this is going to be like almost like a perfume of some sort. Neat. Okay, Fresh Vibes and Aromatherapy Inhaler. I saw that thing. Figured that was it. Harmony Diffuser Blend, which is so nice. At-home hot stone massage oil. If any of you have ever had a hot stone massage, they are insane. They're so great. Reset Bath Melt, which I'm going to be really honest with you. I would have never thought in a million years I would have done that. But our daughter went to massage therapy school to help pay for grad school and undergrad. And anyway, she ended up working at a very, very nice hotel that had a separate spa on the grounds of the hotel. They had horseback riding and, all kinds of crazy stuff, golf and tennis and everything you could think of, and a huge, like, lazy river. So she was really in a very high-end spa. And anyway, she really, I had always been very interested in essential oils. And so at one point or another, my husband and I got each other hot stone massages, and they were incredible. Yeah, crazy. And to let you know, I've never had one massage from that daughter. Not one. So we supported her when she was in school, but yeah, no. Peace Floating Candle. I love that. So here are the labels if you're going to get these for a gift, which is super, Macarena cool. So anyways, so here we have the floating wicks to make 3 count. Ooh, so you can make 3 floating candles. Love that. You can, this is clearly the inhaler, and this is the rock. Hold on. And I'm trying to see, I guess, look at that. So that's the hot stone massage. And that's all that is. And they heat them up, and then they just kind of know what to do on your back, and it feels fantastic. The best thing I ever had was a Young Living rainbow, I think it was a rainbow massage, I think is what they called it. Rainbow water or something, I can't remember. But it was like 7 or 8 different essential oils from head to toe. When I got through, I had been very, very, very sick with GI issues. And it was the best I'd ever felt, ever, after that. It was amazing. And the gal was from Houston, and I had gone to a conference with her, and she said, I'm just going to follow you home, and I'll do it there. And I was like, seriously? And she goes, yeah, because she's a Christian. And she said, this is my ministry. I will just take care of you, and you can have a few moments, and then I'll drive on home. And she lives outside of Houston. I was never so blessed. Never. That was the most amazing massage I've ever had. I'm going to tell you. Sorry, the wind's blowing. So anyways, okay, so let's look at this. So this is lemongrass. I love lemongrass. It's not for everybody. It is one of my favorites. And here is cinnamon, and I love cinnamon. It's leaf, cinnamon leaf. I wonder what the difference is. Let's smell this one. It smells like cinnamon. That smells so nice. And then this one is energy. So it is a mix of eucalyptus, lemon, peppermint. I love that. Okay, let me smell it. Oh, that floats my boat. I could wear that every day. Yeah, that's amazing. And so that you know, when you get essential oils and you want to use it like a perfume or something, it needs to be in a carrier. You don't want to put it just straight on. It may be too strong. And these are 100% pure. So this is sage. I'm not a huge sage fan, but it probably goes with something in the recipes. Oh, that doesn't even smell like sage. I like that. I mean, the way I envision sage smelling. Does that make any sense? I know. Okay, I wanted to see, was there anything else? No, this is it. So, that is my essential oil box from Simply Earth. And again, part of the proceeds go to helping human trafficking and all of that. So I absolutely love this kit so far. I have been very happy. The actual monthly, I'm not sure. I will try this time. I think I was hoping to last time put something below. I will make sure that I put it this time. So if you guys want a link to go and, sign up, especially those of you that have written me so many times, that you don't know what to do with essential oils. So I will tell you that I did a massive amount of reading and I took tons of classes in essential oil usage. And, at one point, I still am kind of still with Young Living. I can order. My daughter-in-law's mother is really big into Young Living, which is wonderful. And I think they were the ones that had the rainbow massage thing. And then our daughter-in-law, of course, is signed up, and I'm signed up under her. So there are certain things I like to get from them. And so I'll just make I used to do the monthly, and I don't do that anymore. So now I just do the specific ones I like. I love the Thieves to Clean with the Thieves Cleaner. It is fantastic for leather. Ironically, it conditions leather. I know. Who would have thought? We learned that on our car seats. An old Suburban that had leather seats that were in not great shape. And my husband's like, what have you been doing? And it made it look nice. And then I also like using there are food grade essential oils, and then there are, just kind of your other essential oils, so using soap and things like that. So they also sell a food grade peppermint that I put a half a drop in my coffee in the mornings. I also have also signed up during doTERRA. I also have some doTERRA peppermint oil beads that I keep in my purse so that if I eat something I have indigestion, trying to get away from peppermints. I have one last little stash of peppermints. I don't think I'm going to replace them. I had to go to the dentist last week, and I have my mouth is just a wreck. I have major dental surgery next month, so I'm just going back to what I know works, and cut out all the extra fluff and the sugar and whatnot. And I think essential oils are a very, very wonderful option in life. I think that the Bible had essential oils. Those were they're very healing. I do believe in traditional medicine as well, so I do both. And I just have to say that this has turned out to be a lovely kit. I would never do this. I know what it is because my daughter gets all the magazines, even though she's not a massage therapist. She's not a practicing massage therapist anymore. I know what it costs to purchase these and have them in your stash. It is not cheap. I know what those essential oils would cost if I ordered them in another way. That definitely beats that price. And then you get all the recipes and all the different ideas, things that I would never try. A bath bomb, who wouldn't love that? Or a shower you could put in the bottom of your shower. I mean, amazing. So anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. If you are doing Simply Earth, tell me what you think of the monthly kits. Tell me if you're enjoying them, or are you even going beyond the kit and using things for other things. So I'd love to hear what you're doing. And yeah, okay, guys. Pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. I will be talking to you soon. Thanks for being here today. Love y'all. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.